Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage voice controls for the headphones Skullcandy Grind. You have to start by open Skullcandy application, then go to voice control and now click on enable voice control. Now you have commands here, so let's test it. Hey Skullcandy, assistant. And as you can hear, I'm just turn on my assistant. That's it. Oh, sorry, no. And if you click again, you will disable it. And now you can also change a language of your voice control. So just click right here on this line voice control, or you can go to settings and voice control language and here choose it here. Then click the best one for you, let's say Espanol. Then click OK and it will download the language pack and change the language. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.